here at True Estate Factory, and we are about to enter a very special room. We are going to visit the Liga Privada room. Follow us.
So Roberto right now is making Liga Privada, and basically what he is doing right now, as you guys already know, he plays the binder, he picks what seco, what this or what the head is going to be, and depending on the cigar that he's making, you know, he's going to be making the same cigar, the same size. Because at the moment that you start to change different sizes, especially the ring gauge, or the length of the cigar, that's when the production are gonna go south. Because there's gonna be a lot of cigars that are gonna be with that. So in a sense of how he position the tobacco is very important, because position the tobacco in the right way, it gives you beautiful drop. Very nice component. And we are showing what we do right here at True Estate, and one beautiful thing about this magic room is that all the ladies that you see working here are the Michael Jordans when it comes to rolling cigar, because they are the best rollers right here at True Estate. And that is because that particular wrapper that we use from Connecticut is very thick. It is a broadleaf tobacco seed, and therefore when you are rolling that type of wrapper, you need to add water to it. If these cigars are getting dry over there, the humidity goes ups and down, and these cigars are not gonna be good looking like this one right here. So we roll the cigars under AC condition. So this way the cigar is going to dry out nice and gentle. And until the cigar has been already checked like this one, there is 25 cigars. Right after this, the cigar goes to a liquid cold room. The brightness of that cold room will absorb the extra humidity.
So one thing about Liga Privada, as you guys have explained in this room, we look at every attention to detail we can. And what we found was, as these wrappers are drying out, we found some shrinkage happening.
I was in the pool! I was in the pool!
So as you see here, we're leaving that as a shaggy foot on this in the drying process, so that wrapper doesn't pull back and expose the binder. Once these are fully dried out after coming out of the cold room, they will take scissors and trim off all that excess tobacco to give it that really clean look we're looking for on Liga Privada.